Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to sign in Simplified AI account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for simplified.com. Now on the home page on the top, you will see sign in button. Hit on that. Now, here you'll have three options to sign in, that is with Google, with Facebook, and with email. For now, we are using sign in with email option. Here, you have to add your email address, then enter your password. Once you are done, hit on sign up or let's go button over there. And that was it. You have successfully logged in Simplified AI account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.